Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Moon Palace Montego Bay. Now this is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica at 34 floors. And this is the site. As you can see, they are putting up the wall for the hotel. The wall for the property. There you can see the main road and then they have started the construction of the wall. Now we are out by Success in Montego Bay, right on the Elegant corridor. To the left of us is where they're building a 1,000-room apartment structure for hotel workers, and then beside that is a 450-room Unico hotel, which is under construction and should finish in early 2026. And then beside that property, they are going to build a Hard Rock Hotel, over 1,000 rooms and over 20 floors. And then beside that, the Hard Rock Hotel is the Iberia Star Hotel. They have 3 hotels over there. Now look at this beach. This is one of the nicest beaches you will find in Jamaica. So it's no coincidence that this entire strip is being developed as a major hotel corridor. And this is where they're going to put the Moon Palace. Now, at 34 floors, it's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica and also the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean. And this means Montego Bay is going to have the 5 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Actually, when the Hard Rock is built, it's going to have the 6 tallest buildings in Jamaica. So we're going to give you an update as to what is happening with this project. And I'm so amazed at this beach. Very nice. And to think the land has been here for so long. It was owned by the UDC, and the Prime Minister, or I should say the government, said that UDC is to divest a certain amount of land. And this is one of the properties that were divested. Straight ahead at the top of the screen, that is where they're building the 1,000-room apartment building. And there you can see the construction of the wall. The road that you're looking at is a northern coastal highway that takes you from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. The construction of Moon Palace Montego Bay marks a major new chapter in Jamaica's resort development, particularly in the Rose Hall Tourism Corridor. The project is being undertaken by the Palace Company, the developers of Moon Palace Jamaica in Ocho Rios, and is designed as a large-scale luxury all-inclusive resort. A defining feature of this project is its size and design. The development includes plans for a high-rise hotel tower of more than 30 stories, making it one of the tallest hotel structures in Jamaica. This represents a clear shift from the traditional low-rise beachfront resorts and will significantly change the skyline of the Rose Hall area. The vertical design allows for a large number of rooms while preserving open spaces across the wider resort property. When completed, the resort is expected to feature over 1,000 rooms and suites, along with multiple specialty restaurants, expansive swimming pools, rooftop and infinity pool areas, a large spa and wellness facility, and family-oriented attractions such as water park and entertainment zones. The layout is intended to function as a self-contained resort, offering guests a wide range of experiences within one property. Construction began following an official groundbreaking in 2025 and is progressing in phases, starting with site preparation, foundation works, and early structural development. Given the project's scale and height, construction involves complex engineering, including deep foundations, reinforced concrete structures, and advanced mechanical and electrical systems suited for a high-rise coastal environment. Overall, Moon Palace Montego Bay stands out primarily for its architectural scale, modern construction approach, and resort design concept. Once completed, it is expected to become one of the most visually prominent and distinctive resort developments in Montego Bay, adding a new landmark to Jamaica's North Coast tourism landscape. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we'll continue giving you updates on this development. They are scheduled to start the hotel construction in 2026. Alright guys, have a good day.